Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about the JavaScript array. The array is very fundamental data structure from the older programming language. So it's very important and very common to use in the real programming. Let's get started. The first, let's figure it out how to define red array. This is simple way. We can say like 1 to 3. There is fast initialization. And next, array 3. We can use new array or red array 4, new array 1 to 3. Okay. Then what? Yeah, you can see. The next one is how to how to read. If you want to see the element from the array 4, it's easy, right? If you want to see the first element, okay, and you can add the element using the push method. Like push forEach, push 50. Then you can see sorry. Okay, you see, or we have the counterpart, the method. If you use the pop method here, it is the counterpart of push method. So if I run, the last element was removed, right? And if you want to remove in the middle of the element or first element, then you can use the splice method, like splice. Splice has two arguments. First one is index of the array which you want to delete. If you say like the 2, the second argument is the count, delete count. Okay, let's use 1. You see, the 10 element is the 0, is 1. This is the 2, right? 2 and delete 1 message. If you like, we change like this. Yeah, only 30 has removed. If I change 2, you can see we can remove the 2 element from the 2. So this is like index from index plus remove count. So actually, its plus method returned the array that has removed. Then let's print it out. You can see, right? If there's no method, like the empty, it returned the empty, the array. Okay. And the next one is the shift. The shift method is the move all element from the right to the left by 1. So Let's try. Yeah, sorry. You can see all elements move one from the right to the left. So the left first element has removed, right? Okay. If we call twice, for the 0 index, the first index element has removed, right? And we have also another method, unshift. Unshift is the counterpart method of the shift. So unshift is move from the left to the right. Okay. So, but there is one argument here. Okay, let's try. You can see if you want to add element at the first index, the unshift is the right way, right? 6. Okay. And next time, let's iterate the array. We have several ways to iterate the array. The simple way is the for iteration. So, like length, then okay, we can add some. We can constraint like this. Array 1 I here. Okay, it's simple, right? Okay. The next way is use the for all method. Num of array 1. We can print it out. Right? You can see that. Let me see. The way to iterate is the forEach. So forEach method, and the element number, and we can print it out. Now, okay. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye.